Okay, here we go with number 1. Making sure that every time we go from the E up to the A string, we're hitting that upstroke. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. The whole time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3. Number 2, descending stuff. Again, making sure you got the strict alternate picking of the down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, 1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3. I didn't like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So mode stuff. So let's see. All right. So you correctly said to change Lydian to Ionian, you take the sharp 4 and make it a natural 4. Which we didn't finish putting in here. So, okay, I need to change to this view. So in order to change the key signature, you could just hover the mouse over here and click on that, and then you can change it. You can also hit Control K. That'll bring that box up. Or over in this panel, click on these 3 sharp symbols, and that'll bring up the key. So Ionian, that's the first mode. So E Ionian is in the key of E major. So you're going to change the key as you go. Now, Lydian, the E Lydian. So the thing I was showing is, so you take that major scale shape that you learned, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the root note. Really just those notes. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have the 7 modes. So Ionian would start on the first, Dorian would start on the second, Phrygian would start on the third, Lydian would be on the fourth, Mixolydian starts on the 5th note, Aeolian starts on the 6th note, and Locrian starts on the 7th. So E Lydian here, starting with that. Oh, part of that's cut off. Hang on. There. So Lydian being the 4th mode. So the question is, what major scale has E as the 4th note? So there's your E note right there on the 7th fret of the A string. So I'm just visualizing going down that major scale shape. So go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's like, well, what note? Because again, we're looking at if Lydian is the 4th note or the 4th mode in your major scale. Well, what major scale has E as the 4th note? So that's why we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4 from the E note, which gives us B. So E Lydian is in the key of B major. All right, so E Ionian is in the key of E. We changed that because you already played it. I'm going to update the interval stuff here. Nope, I didn't change that. There we go. All right. So then the next, Mixolydian. So E Mixolydian would be next. So I want you to stick with what we were doing today. And instead of copying and pasting at first, try just making the change by looking at what's already there. So with Ionian, I'm going from Ionian to Mixolydian. We got to flat that 7. I already started off wrong. So yeah, that would be the 7 there on the 18th fret. So we need to move it down to 17th. And down there. Whoop. So then you'll do your copy, special paste, copy, special paste, and then change the key. So come up to the start of the new mode. Again, you can just hover the mouse over the sharps and click on that. So E Mixolydian. Mixolydian is the 5th mode. So you got to think about applying that major scale shape and going down 5 from the E. So it would go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could also think of it like this. Start with your C major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of practice it like that. And then shift it down. So now the 5th note is E. So you land on A. You got to pick the key of A. And then you put in the flats. Make the 7 a flat 7. Change the frets from 18 to 17. And then you change the 6 down to a 5. But I'm going to leave that as it was so you can have practice doing it the right way. So yeah, you got to change the key every new mode. And I think that about covers it. So yeah, if you have any questions about what to do there, definitely let me know. And yeah, just for the scale memorization stuff, like that's the first set right there. So when you have that whole note at the end, that's the end of it. So that's what you want to get that memorized. That's the second set to get memorized, and then there's your third set to get memorized. So 3 separate sets. Okay. Any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.